last week we couldn't do this sessions because we were on the Breaking Down live. That was really crazy. So let me start with the Breaking Down. The Breaking Down was really succeeded. Huge success. Breaking Down 8 had a huge success. 20th, we had a open public press conference. So 20th of May, we had a press conference. And 21st, we had the actual live event. The Breaking Down 8 had, I think, the largest access ever in a Breaking Down history. And we were at the venue and both day, and that was huge. That was really crazy because every videos that was shooting the audition of the Breaking Down 8, they easily had like 5 to 6 million views, which is crazy. And we got like 6 video total. So only the audition video was played over 30 million times. That's just massive. Then we had live streaming session. Probably that was around hundreds of thousands of live streaming users were there at that day for the pay-per-view. They had some kind of short videos from main videos. They just cut like a pieces and they just upload it. Even those small videos, like 5-minute videos, got like millions of views. So they're like easily estimating that global total plays of entire video, including all of the social media, will go close like 100 million to 200 million plays. So that's just crazy. And we were premium sponsor of this event next to the main sponsor. So the main sponsor is like title sponsor, and we were like a platinum sponsors, which is like a secondly biggest. And our trailers basically everywhere. Our logos were everywhere. We got just massive exposure in Japan. Not only Japan, because this time Breaking Down had a big collaboration with the Korea. So like there were the Korean viewers as well, because it's a YouTube. So, everybody can see it. And during those Japan versus Korea shows, like half of the language is Korean. Even the Korean people will see it. And because of their involving like some kind of top stars, like entertainers and the fighting top athlete, so they got good topic and the media exposures in the Korea as well. So that made this time of Breaking Down so huge because, like we were really friendly country, Japan and Korea. It's like a US and Canada. It's like we're next to each other and we have like a lot of like historical communications and so on. Yeah, like we are pretty close, but still there's a big differences, like a cultural difference. The Korea has like they have to go to the armies for 2 years, every man. Japan don't have it because like they were still in the war with the like North Korea. So those are the big difference. So basically our basic understanding is that like Korean guys are strong because they're serious about those kind of like a fighting or like physical thing. Then our Japanese fighters challenged it. I think that in the end, the winners amount, the Korea won. So like Korea had like more the winners. Some of the Japanese fighter won as well. So that was a really great fight. As each fighters having their country behind to join those kind of event, just like the same as the World Cup or like Olympic. Those kind of things makes the event much more serious and interesting, and the viewers in each countries, they will become a serious as well. I think that is the main reason that this time the buzz was just much more bigger than ever. So that was a Breaking Down, and crazy thing is like in the after party, like suddenly I was asked to play the DJ set. That was very interesting because there were like famous top Japanese influencers and also like Japanese #1 rappers. They were playing the DJ, and I was like joining the event as a sponsor suddenly because like we had a plan, like we have a XANA festival upcoming with Amazon and much more music projects. We thought like XANA Japan team, that's gonna be interesting and a good opportunity to have my exposure in the music like scenes with next to those top guys. So I was actually stood on the stage after like 5 years almost. That was crazy. I didn't even like touch the DJ gears those kind of live DJ gears, I mean club DJ gears, like 5 years. And once I was playing in the XANA festival, that is like a, kind of like digital DJs. It's together with the laptop and the DJ controller. So basically those are the controller. In the club, there was like latest DJ equipment that which I never even touched before. So like I was kind of so nervous because I got like announcement almost like 24 hours ahead. And I was visiting the open press conference of the Breaking Down, and one of the staff asked me, and I was like, well, yeah, because like next week I have an Amazon Zena Festival anyway, so like it is good opportunity for me to get back to like my original status to be on the stage. So I challenged it and I accepted offer and just booked the studio like right away. And I just left the audition venue after the audition done, and just 3 hours straight I just keep practicing and try to remember the equipment, how to control the thing. And next morning I wake up and just prepare music again. And after even the breaking down, I went to studio and spent like 1 hour for the practice. Then that make me on board smoothly at the time of the show. That was really great, like really great opportunity. I got inspired a lot, and other DJ were awesome as well. And the venue is just awesome because the Lace Ginza, that's like the #1 club in Tokyo recently. #1 club in Tokyo means #1 in Japan. The venue is so cool. They have like latest systems and lasers and stuff. The venue is like you can probably pack like 600 people or something. I don't know like how many people are there in that breaking down after party, but like everyone is like a top athlete and famous YouTubers and the artists and of course the breaking down fighters and so on. So that was really interesting. And we're discussing with the race to have a kind of Zena's own event, which we probably can announce very soon. And we are trying to do those kind of live events constantly under the name of Zena as main. So that was about the after party. That was just really awesome. Next topic is Amazon Music Studio. The show is coming on the May 30th. I was so excited. I'm almost ready. Just need like 2 more days for the preparation and everything should be set. Because I've been preparing a lot for this event and there's many new challenges. I was really nervous after spending 2 to 3 weeks for the preparation. I think the time is now, time is good. Preparation is goodly done. Yeah, well, we'll just do it. The great thing is like there are so many VIPs and important person who are coming to these shows at the Amazon. The main purpose of this show is the first one is to invite our Xana DAO members because we are almost never been seeing each other physically. So that's gonna be like our first opportunity because this time the venue is like streaming purpose, not like a real event kind of purpose venue. So there was a limited attendance could get into the event venue. So it should be there's like a 20 to 30 people. So it's still limited though, but still like it's my first opportunity to physically meet the Zen DAO members, Japan. That's very exciting. This is kind of, kickoff launch party of the Zen Japan. And we are having the important guests and even the advisory board member. During the event, I believe we can announce a lot of like new onboarding, and the main purpose is me with the Mizoguchi-san. He's the CEO of Xana Japan. Well, we'll discuss like our plan for how to do the marketing and like how to make a next big bass like breaking down in this year 2023 and even next year. I'll have like a talk discussion time with him and we will talk about that. We are almost like really challenging the limit of the Amazon Music Studio. It's such an amazing studio with the like top quality equipment and stuff. And we are trying to push it even further with our streaming, like a new system connecting with the metaverse. And also, we're trying to bring some kind of cool lighting stuff and some special effects stuff and a lot. So that event will probably be something that Amazon people never seen in the studio in this 1 year. I'm so excited about it. I'm a like natural born entertainer. So like during the preparations, I get so many great inspirations and new ideas. We're gonna definitely constantly run this event, and every time is a new challenge. So this time it's like a greeting, you know. And from the next time, I could do even more things because I will know what could be the capable in this venue. So that's how much I'm very excited about event on the 30th. That is about the Zana Festival number 4. I still have a rehearsal today, so I'll probably roll up quick about this global sessions. Probably like maybe I can go with like 10 to 15 more minutes. Let me talk about the DAO. This month, I was really focusing on Zana Japan, and still now I would also like concentrate about more like content side. I've been like only focusing on the like development technical side for past like 3 to 4 years, and we came this far. Still like small step though, but still like we made something and we launched it, and now it's a time to brush up, polish the product, and so on. But like it's not like a 0 to 1. It's like already it's like a 1 to 10 or like 1 to 100 kind of stuff. So I'm trying to replace my weight about the technology side as much as possible to the our company's new members. Because like everything is handled by the CEO only, that's a trouble. That's a bad sign. Like if we need the people, the team has to be replaceable in every meaning, not to create a dependency on the certain people, so that certain person suddenly got busy or sick or like unavailability, then the whole thing can stop. You know, that's not like a healthy status. So I'm trying to like reduce my dependence as much as possible and put those kind of responsibility to the team members and restructuring this team workflow as I'm more like focusing on the content side and the marketing side now. According to the voice of Jana DAO members, we decided to have another new things, which is called like a technical progressions report. Tech update reports day, which is gonna be the Friday. Every Friday, we're gonna have a like English blog for everyone about the what happened this week and the what is the development we are working on right now. Then at the same time, we will have a Japanese version in Japanese. So not me, but my Japanese team will talk about those kind of stuff in Japanese so that everyone in Japan could also understand. So those are the new thing, and we just like days ago, I think, we just did our first those kind of session. As I am hearing the voice of the users or community members, it seems like it was really succeeded. I saw that some of the members, the other members, feel much better because we just didn't have this kind of flow, and we just directly jump into the product, and as soon as product is ready and ready to download, and we just make an announcement, right? There is no space between. We didn't have it. Now I think like we should have it. Yeah, that's what it happens. That means I'm just really focusing on the content side and the team members having those kind of Japanese DAO technical update sessions. We're gonna continue this every week. And for the global users, we will deliver the technical update blogs, I think, every Friday as well. So that was kind of big challenge because it looks like small, easy thing, but like there's many like works behind the scene, you know, checking all of the stages and gather up and put them everything together in the organized format. That was always kind of time taking, but I really felt it's worth to do. And we are really happy that like this time, like our Xanadao directly raised the voice about the necessity of those kind of sessions. So yes, of course, we are here for everyone, and we just want to try the best. You know, like best designs, best UI UX, and best tools and everything. That is the new change of Designer DAO. Then we are trying to renew our the MVP session as well, because now not too many new challengers are joining, because now the technical hurdle and the competitors are getting bigger and like more like technical. It's really very hard for the new users, like new challengers, new DAO creators to aim the top. We were kind of looking at this bit challenging. We're trying to open up the doors for like more rookies, new challengers, so that new challengers can get some kind of reward or something. That's what we are thinking about. And only like very professional guys, only like trained or like well practiced members can join those MVP event. That is the kind of change I'm thinking about. And even think that like maybe we can have some kind of rotations to not to let same person get selected over and over real time. So I'm still thinking like what is the best way, as we will fix it. Tomorrow we have a Japanese DAO session in Japan, and we will probably can come up with the new ideas of like how to let the new creators and new guys to join our ecosystem. So that's the session we're planning. Japan time 9 o'clock p.m. We launched our NFT Dual landing page. It's still under alpha test, but you can already start browsing and see the things like what is there. Completed the Zeta token staking cycle 14. Reward has been released. But like there's a lot of like technical update is going on behind the scene, and we posted our XANA DAO dev schedule. This is good for to check the update of the technical side, and we shared this one in our Discord channel so that everyone can see and check like which NFTs can have a utility in by when, which NFT can be usable in XANA Metaverse by when, etc. So you can just have a great look, and many things and many questions is already being asked and answered in this seat only, because it's very well detailed, and we have like listed up like all of the past NFT project that we've been releasing. So yeah, it's a good thing. That's one of the part of the challenge for our transparency. We are working on the NFT Duel, so probably like next week we will have a like almost full alpha final test league version. If everything is smooth, then we can kick off the test leagues again. So it's been like almost 3 months, because this ERC 1155 change was so huge, and we had to spend like even 2 months to adapt existing products into new this format, and etc. etc. That was really hard challenge. We have been already done and released. Let's see. Let's challenge it. That's about the NFT Duel. And for the XANA Builder, we've been released like a lot of game modules. A lot. So in total, we're already exceeding like more than 20 gaming module. I haven't seen too much people already using those, because those are completely new thing for the XANA as well. So only super edgy and early creators are already trying their best to understand and actually build something by this game builder. That's very exciting. I can't wait to play those games that our XANA creates. All of the other NFT project schedules, you can see this spreadsheet. So please take a look. We are working on the thumbnails of the land, Xena land, so that you can not only by the text or address, but visually you can place your logo or like own arts and anything for this ninja game module is involved. And a lot more, like a quiz game, not exactly survival game, but kind of tricky version of the hide and seek type of the game could be easily built in the Xena game builder. That's what is going on in the Xena builder side, and we just keep constantly working on this Xena builder. Xena web. As you guys know, we updated our Xana.net top page. So now you can see like upcoming metaverse event, what kind of world is there, what kind of users are there, and all of the functions are no more separated. So you can go to the thing to staking to buying the NFTs and selling the NFTs in every single scene. The data can be used. That's a new structure. You can already start connecting the wallet, I guess. Soon as like a NFT function of the Xana's Metaverse NFTs. As soon as it's open, then you can start using it. There's many things, many updates on the Xana Metaverse application side as well. And then the one of the most important update in this first half of this year is the browser version of Xana. So this is very helpful for us, because for some reason our app store app haven't came back yet, we were really in need to create this like a browser version as soon as possible. And we finally made it done. So we're just waiting the final announcement from the XANA web team so that you can just open up the, for example, top thumbnail of the top page. Then you can directly jump in to that world without opening your applications or whatever. That's very helpful. That's pretty much it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. And this weekend, we will have many things. Final preparation for the next Zana Festival will be really awesome. And we will have a lot of like a new announcement about Zana Japan as well. Let's look forward to it. Thank you for joining everyone and see you in the next week. Bye bye.